Yo, it's Heartbreak Bobby from Lids and Kicks, and today we have an unboxing and on-feet review for the Adidas Pharell Human Race PW in the blue colorway. So welcome back to Lids and Kicks, and today we have my second pair of Pharell Human Races. These came out in 2016. My first reaction to this shoe was more about like the shade of blue. When I first see it, like how it looks on camera and how it looks in person. It looks like a sky blue on camera, but like up close it looks darker. If I had to pick between the green Human Races and the blue ones, I would probably pick the green ones personally. So one thing that obviously makes this shoe stand out is the embroidery along the toe box. It says human on the right shoe, then it says being on the left shoe, because you know, we're like human beings, human race, Adidas. Shout out Pharrell, shout out Adidas. Yeah, equality, you feel me? Lids and Kicks, we all about equality, you know? Shout out Pharrell, shout out Adidas, you feel me? So I think that's about it for this shoe, really. You guys already know what this is. Make sure you like and subscribe. Heartbreak Bobby, Lids and Kicks. We're gonna get into the unboxing and on-feet portion of this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get to 700 subs as soon as we can. Thank you, let's go, let's get into it. Peace.
We'll be right back.